Heyo, what's up? It's Carlo, and today I'm gonna be doing a Miniso haul. Hey, for those of you who don't know what a Miniso is, it's basically a Chinese stationery store chain that has many chains all around Asia and even the US. Today my friend took me there for the first time, and I didn't know something like this existed in Florida, like the land of yeehaw. So it was awesome to go there for the first time and see all what they had to offer, and I bought a lot of stuff, like $60 worth of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I bought. Alright, so here's the bag. I bought this bag for 12 cents extra because I didn't feel like carrying all the stuff that I bought. Alright, so for the first thing I bought this this travel bottle set. It's basically like a set of bottles that you can use whenever you're traveling on planes, since there's limits to how much liquid you can bring on the plane. The reason I got it is because it was really cheap. It was only like $5 compared to the ones at CVS. The ones at CVS are like $12. Like, I really like Miniso's concept. It's basically like everything's under $10, besides, like, you know, their specialty portable chargers. This travel bottle set costed $5.95. It comes with two of those bottles that you can like push on, and then the liquid comes out. Comes with 3 bottles where you just squeeze the bottle and the liquid would come out. It comes with 2 circular things, like where you can put your contacts, or if you wear makeup you can put like your BB cream or your concealer. Let's see what else. And it also comes with, I'm not sure what some of this stuff is. So let's look inside. So first we have this bottle where you can like squeeze, and it has this lock right here when you're traveling it, and then like you can just take it off when you're gonna squeeze something, so you can put that on. It has this little spray thing right here where you can spray, you know, maybe like perfume. You can put it in here. Next we have 3 little squeeze bottles for miscellaneous things, like you can put lotion in here or sunscreen in here. Pretty cool. We have these 2 containers right here. You can put maybe your BB cream or your makeup in here. Pretty good, cool. Now, ooh, I didn't notice this at first. It includes a comb and a brush that's kind of like together, so it's very convenient if you want to brush your hair or comb your hair. I'm not sure what this is. Probably for makeup, I don't know. Like, it's like a little spatula, like plastic spatula. We have a funnel. I don't know what you would need the funnel things for, but alright. And finally, in this travel kit, we have whatever this thingy is. I think it's like you put it in like a liquid and then it squeezes it in, and then you can put it somewhere, which can come in handy if you put like maybe in this vial, like you can take this seal off, you can put this in, and then you can squeeze in and then squeeze out and then apply it somewhere else. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so that's it for the traveling kit. This circular folding mirror. Let's go open it. This circular folding mirror costs $4.95. Ooh, so it's also handheld. See, the thing with me, you can ask my friends from back in college. I have this handheld mirror that I use, that I need to use whenever, like, maybe my roommate is using our bathroom mirror, because I have to share bathrooms with one other person in my dorm. So I have to get ready and he's using the mirror, so I would use my handheld mirror. But like sometimes I just want to sit down and like I don't want to hold like my mirror when I brush my hair or like check my face or like rub like face cream on my face. So this would be handy because it would stand. So this mirror basically doubles as like a handheld mirror, and also it can stand like this. Sorry, I don't have like a table with me, so I'll just use my palm. It's like a circular 3-sided mirror. So I can look at all sides of my face using this. Pretty cool. Yep, and so that was the mirror. Alright, next we have these Miniso men's volcanic mud pore strips. So I got So on the instructions, the pore strips told me to thoroughly wet my face, which you can clearly see I wet my face. And so now I'm gonna apply the nose strips. Alright, so as you can see here, I applied the nose strip to my nose. And it says on the directions to wait like 5 to 10 minutes before taking off and seeing the results. So in the meantime, we'll go open the other stuff that I got. Alright, so let's see what else we got in this fun bag of goodies. Alright, next I got this wireless charger for my phone. So basically I have an iPhone X. And actually I've never tried one of these, and it was really cheap. I got this wireless charger for $9.95. That's a good deal. So why don't we go see if this works? Alright, so here is the wireless charger. As you can see, it's on. I plugged it into this cool clock at this hotel that we're staying at currently. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone on the charger and let's see if it works. So here we go. Ooh, it actually works. That's really cool. And I don't know if you can see from here, but like this surface right here, it's it's like plastic, like not plasticky, that's not the word, like rubbery. So like if you put your phone right here, like it won't like just like come off very easily because it's like stuck to the rubber. For the next item, I got this portable shoe bag. So it's basically you can store your shoes in here. So let's go open it up and see. The bag is a little wet because it was raining on my way back into the hotel. So here, if you want to see it, it says Minigo. It basically has 2 sides where you can store each of the shoes. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it's just your standard bag. Has a lot of different compartments in here where you can put your shoes. Yeah, some mesh over here, and then on the other side, more mesh. And yeah, and then you can just carry it around like this. Alright, let's look at the other stuff that we have gotten, and here's the last item. I bought this humidifier. My friend recommended it to me, and I also bought along with it two essential oils to put into this humidifier. So this was like probably my most expensive purchase. Let's see. The humidifier was $9.95 and each of these essential oils was $6.95. So let's go ahead and test it out. So it comes in this cute little shaped thing. I don't know, maybe like I would call it maybe like this is the head and this is the hat of this little elf thing. And if you open it up, there's like this little leaf thing. I don't know why it's there. And then this is where you would pour the liquid. So let's go try it out. So I tried it out, plugged it into the clock thing again. So I poured the lavender essential oil in, and let me tell you, it's smelling really good in this room. Alright, now we're at the end, so I'm gonna peel off the nose mask. Disclaimer, if you're squeamish about like seeing like weird like whiteheads, I would probably fast forward the video. So here we go. Alright, so look here, like, it didn't really get a lot done, like a lot off my nose in the 5 and 10 minutes it told me to keep this on, but it did a better job than the original one I had. The original one I had, it barely got any off, but what I didn't like about this one, if you can see on my nose, like, it left like a lot of charcoal, I would say, like on my nose. So this is not the best product I would get. Probably wouldn't get this again. Alright, so that's it for my Miniso haul. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content today, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Goodbye, guys!